Joining me right now is the Haryana Congress Lok Sabha MPs, Mr. Varun Mulana and Mr. Satpal Brahmachari. Sir, firstly to you, the kind of protest which had taken place yesterday in the national capital, we have seen that how the police has taken an action. They have lathi charged, used tear gas shells. Today, many of your own MPs have also given adjournment motion notices to demand a discussion over this matter. What is your take upon it?
Yeah, it's being raised for very long time by the Congress party. Shri Rahul Gandhi ji is raising this issue from the last 2 years. And what the world saw yesterday, it is going to be written in the history that how badly the young citizens of India were treated by the BJP government. How badly they were treated. And what was their demand? What was their demand? That there should be some improvements in the education system, in the examination system. What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that? And still, see, they were not carrying any weapons or anything. The girls were beaten up, the boys were beaten up, and see how they were standing. Empty-handed, okay, beat us. And they were speaking to policemen, beat us, uncle, beat us. Even they were not able to understand, the policeman, that how to beat them. See, they were speaking to them so very politely, but still, how this government is reacting. And even after all this, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, he's so thick-skinned that still after all these happenings, he is not giving his resignation. He should give resignation on his own after all this. But still, he is so thick-skinned that he is still not giving his resignation, which is so painful, and we strongly demand his resignation.
सर, आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, कल हमने जो बच्चों को देखा, यूथ को देखा सड़कों पे उतरते हुए, आज किसान भी आ रहे हैं, दिल्ली की तरफ कूच कर रहे हैं, वो लोग भी सरकार से कई सवाल खड़े कर रहे हैं यूएस ट्रेड डील को लेकर. क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे सरकार को इस पूरे मामले को लेकर?
कि जो हमारे साथी ने कहा है ये बिल्कुल सही कहा है. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा हो जाना चाहिए. और एक नहीं, आप कोई भी परीक्षा देख लीजिए, वही नकल माफियाओं के द्वारा नकल कराई जाती है और उसको फिर रद्द करते हैं. रद्द करने के बाद कई हमारे नौजवान बच्चों ने आत्महत्या की, लगभग 20 बच्चों ने आत्महत्या की. तो कम से कम ये तो सरकार को सोचना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा होना चाहिए.
Sir, anything you want to say about the farmers who are coming to Delhi to hold a protest?
See, this is an issue of the whole nation, of the nation's future. So why not? We are all together to raise this issue, and a genuine issue, that there should be some changes in the education system, in the examination system. And you have seen in the last 10 years of the BJP government, more than 1 lakh schools have been closed. And those which are open, what is the state of affairs over there? I have studied in a government school for some time. There are so many of us, be it the leaders, and leaders in any field, right? Be it officers, be it in the private sector. So many of us are there who have studied in government schools. But what is the state today? How many leaders, or say in any field, you will find today who have studied or who are studying in the government schools? What is the infrastructure there?
Sir, government is saying that it is the opposition which is not letting the house function. It is them who are raising slogans, and even they are not being able to, table the bills which are very important for this country.
Who adjourns the house? Who adjourns the house? The chair, the speaker adjourns the house. We as opposition, this responsibility of opposition is being given to us by the citizens of India. Congress is the major opposition party of India, right? So, who is adjourning? We never demanded adjournment. We demanded discussion on this education system. In the paper leak issue, we never demanded. They are running away. The government, the BJP government is running away. They don't want to answer, and that's why they are adjourning. We have neither demanded adjournment, nor we are going to demand adjournment. We have always demanded for discussion on these issues.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Varun Mulana, as well as Mr. Satpal Brahmachari speaking in Times Square with video journalist Karthik. This is Nyamka Singh reporting for Times Square.